Let's delve into the fascinating world of the DJI Mavic Mini, a compact drone that packs impressive features into its lightweight frame. DJI Mavic Mini, a marvel of engineering. The DJI Mavic Mini is a miniature quadcopter designed to be lightweight, portable, and user-friendly. Here's what makes it stand out. 1. Weight and regulations. The Mavic Mini weighs an astonishing 249 grams, 8.78 ounces. This specific weight was intentionally chosen to keep it below the 250-gram threshold in many countries. Why? Because drones under 250 grams are often exempt from certain flight regulations. For instance, in the United States and Canada, you can fly the Mavic Mini as a hobbyist without needing to register it with the government. In Japan, where regulations start with any aircraft over 200 grams, the Mavic Mini's weight of 199 grams is a significant advantage. 2. Design and portability. When folded, the Mavic Mini measures 5.51 by 3.22 by 2.24 inches, 140 by 82 by 57 millimeters. Unfolded, it expands to 6.3 by 7.95 by 2.16 inches, 160 by 202 by 55 millimeters. Its compact size allows it to fit into a large jacket pocket, making it incredibly convenient for travel and outdoor adventures. 3. Camera and stabilization. The Mavic Mini features a 3-axis gimbal-stabilized camera that captures 12 MP stills and records video at 2.7K resolution with a frame rate of 30 frames per second. While it doesn't offer 4K video, the stability of its footage is impressive. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or recording family moments, the Mavic Mini delivers smooth and clear visuals. 4. Flight performance. The drone boasts a 30-minute maximum flight time, which is remarkable given its size. It's fast, quiet, and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced pilots. The Mavic Mini's maximum ascent speed is 4 meters per second in sport mode and 2 meters per second in positioning mode. 5. Autonomous flying modes. Despite its diminutive size, the Mavic Mini offers several intelligent flight modes. Quick shots, pre-programmed cinematic maneuvers like drone, circle, and helix. Cine smooth mode, slows down the drone's movements for smoother shots. Return to home, RTH automatically returns to the takeoff point if the battery is low or the signal is lost. 6. Battery and charging. The Mavic Mini uses a micro USB port for charging, unfortunately not USB-C. Its battery life allows for extended flights, and the hot swappable micro SD card slot ensures you won't miss any moments. 7. Price and value. The Mavic Mini's affordability is a major selling point. While it lacks some features found in higher-end models, it strikes an excellent balance between price and performance. If you don't need 4K video or advanced tracking capabilities, the Mavic Mini remains an attractive choice. In summary, the DJI Mavic Mini is a marvel of engineering, a drone that defies its size by delivering impressive features, stability, and ease of use. Whether you're a hobbyist, a traveler, or a content creator, this little flyer packs a big punch. Helicopter sparkles. For more detailed information, check out the official DJI Mavic Mini specifications and explore its capabilities firsthand. Happy flying!